Hello guys, so today in this video we are going to see complete review about this awesome product called PrimeSite, which is the most powerful and easy to use website builder that creates beautiful websites in any niche using just a single keyword in just 60 seconds flat. And plus it comes with 100 plus pre-built website templates. So watch the complete video to see full demo of it, how it works, it various features and many more. And guys, if you get access to it right now, I have 5 free bonuses worth rupees $999 for you. So to learn more about it or to grab this limited time period offer, definitely check out the link in the description down below guys. So now let's get started.